Welcome back to Instables, everyone. So I'm going to go up with you guys in the S&P 500. Again, this is the SPY. As you guys can see, we have been tracking the upper end and the lower end of our channel here on our daily chart. And as you guys can see, we have the body of our candle dropping below the lower end of our channel here. So the question is from here, are we going to continue on lower? What exact levels are we looking to see if we can bounce off of? And if we do have a reversal from here, what exactly would we be looking out for to have confirmation on that reversal? I'm going to go over all of this with you guys. And if you guys are day traders or you guys are looking for intraday perspective breakouts throughout the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and only for $15 a month, you guys will never miss a breakout alert today again. So let's jump into this one. So jumping into the daily chart with you guys here on the SPY, as you guys can see, we have been tracking a possible bullish divergence that was being played out here. As you guys can see, we have lower lows here on our price action, as we have higher lows here on our relative strength, showing us that we were going to possibly get this bullish divergence. However, we were looking for that confirmation with an engulfing candle coming out after we did have our red candle coming out yesterday, and that would have been our confirmation. However, we got a momentum candle to the downside, dropping below the lower end of our channel. So the two levels that we're looking out for if we do continue on lower at 358, again, we had a rally out of our 2020 pandemic levels, jumping up to this level, got rejected, and then we did have our confirmation on that continuation on higher for a rally for the last couple of years. And then our next level that we have here is our 2020 pandemic levels at 340. So again, our two levels at 358 and 340 if we do continue on lower. However, what will give us confirmation on a reversal here is if these bullish divergence continue to play out. As you guys can see, we still do have higher lows, and we would be looking to see if we can get higher highs here from our peak when we jumped out of oversold. So that would be our confirmation point to continue on higher on strength. On our MACD here, again, representing buy pressure, as you guys can see, we have our EMA lines that are still pointing down. We were looking to see if we can cross back above here with our EMA lines and then cross above the median of our MACD. We want to see definitely this cross happen, so that way we get that strength, and then that confirmation on our RSI would give us even more confirmation on a reversal. Again, bullish divergence typically do play out, but again, we do need that strength to the upside on the MACD to make sure we do confirm with that strength to the upside. So we'll either get that rejection at 358 and possibly even flush down to 340, our 2020 levels before we dropped into the pandemic, or we're going to have a bounce here on the lower end of our channel once again. Now, again, we do have Powell speaking tomorrow in pre-market, so the market very much anticipating that going to tomorrow. And then we also do have triple witching, which is trillions of dollars in option expirations that will be repositioned. So we'll see exactly how the market reacts. Now, again, with that said, if you guys are day traders or you are looking for intraday perspective breakouts, I know the market has been very choppy. Most breakouts have been pre-market news and open. We had two 100% breakouts this morning from pre-market. We mentioned ELMS, for example, in pre-market at 24 cents, jumped up all the way up to 51 cents. As you guys can see, we jumped into our second deviation. We did continue on higher. We consolidated, and then we did jump into our deviation, not with the body of our candle. So that was that rejection to the upside. But again, a very nice breakout that we had throughout the day, over 100% on this breakout. And then we had another breakout here with ADN. We mentioned them at $1.84 this morning in pre-market. We continued on higher on the upper end of our second deviation. We continued on higher. We did have that consolidation, and then we broke into our deviation once again, signaling that we could continue on higher. And sure enough, we did continue on higher. We continued on with our 20 above our 50, which gave us that confirmation on that possible continuation on higher. And sure enough, we did. Again, a very nice breakout from pre-market, and then midday we did continue on higher and also did alert that one. Very nice breakouts throughout the day. Again, if you guys are looking for these breakouts, go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. And again, all of you instables that come over every single day and support the channel, as you guys can see, we had our momentum of the week here, anticipating Powell multiple times this week. So again, Powell leading into tomorrow. We'll see exactly what levels the market holds going into next week. And again, we will continue to go at it, stay patient, and taking what the market gives us. Again, if we do continue on lower, then we will have major discounts in the market. And again, I'm not a bear in this market, but one thing I will say is that if we do continue on lower, I do look forward to discounts, as there will be a ton of opportunity in the market. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in pre-market.